For decades, the prevailing narrative has been clear. Weakened erections were seen as an inevitable side effect of aging, chronic stress, or inherited genetics. But a radical discovery deep within the Amazon rainforest is rewriting everything we thought we knew about male vitality. A remote tribe, long isolated from modern medicine, revealed a potent secret: an ancestral formula capable of restoring erections naturally and rapidly, without pharmaceuticals, devices, or invasive procedures. At the heart of this discovery lies the Brew, a simple 3-ingredient tonic derived from rainforest botanicals, engineered by nature and refined through science. First uncovered during a multi-institutional expedition led by biologists and ethnobotanists, this brew was part of a daily ritual practiced by the elephant men, elder tribesmen, renowned for maintaining powerful sexual function well into their 80s and beyond. These men exhibited vascular health, stamina, and virility unmatched by any known demographic, defying biological decline. Unlike commercial medications that flood the market with synthetic compounds, the Brew relies on accessible plant-derived ingredients easily found at local grocery stores. The synergy between these ingredients stimulates smooth muscle tissue in the pelvic region, ignites the body's own erection muscle trick, and restores erectile response with remarkable efficiency. Peer-reviewed clinical trials have confirmed its physiological effects. The brew upregulates CGMP signaling, the same molecular pathway activated by drugs like sildenafil, while simultaneously inhibiting PDE5, the enzyme that restricts blood flow during arousal. Additionally, it enhances vascular elasticity, promoting oxygenated blood delivery and sustained rigidity naturally. But beyond the science are the stories. More than 84,000 men across 27 countries have adopted Brew into their daily routine, many reporting outcomes they thought were no longer possible. Spontaneous erections, consistent endurance, morning wood once forgotten, emotional connection restored, confidence rekindled. To truly understand how Brew restores erectile function with Nobel-level precision, explore the full molecular mechanism behind the erection muscle trick. The clinical studies speak for themselves, and the results are changing lives. Click the link in the description to access clinical studies and discover why Brew is changing lives today.